Sir, may mga nagsasabi din po na ilang grupo na hindi pa naman po kasi nag-uumpisa yung impeachment trial. Pero hindi po ba masyadong maaga ito ring inihain yung petisyon para questionin
Ah,
yung impeachment trial na mangyayari sa Senado kung matutuloy man?
hindi. Kasi we have the right to question. Imagine, yung ang taong kakasuhan, kailangan mo muna siya paalam. Kailangan mo muna siyang, what to call this, bigyan ng tsansa na maka-answer. Dito, wala.
Mm.
Blitzkrieg fashion ito. Akala kasi natin doon sa Constitution, pag mayroon ka ng one-third vote, wala na, wala, tuna. Nangyari yan sa, what to call this, sa Corona, no? Corona versus Senate. But the Supreme Court was not able to rule on the merits of it dahil nga naging moot and academic kaya nag-trial na. So dito, this is the most opportune time that this is the most perfect time that the Supreme Court can rule on this dahil nga kailangan i-desisyonan ng Supreme Court dito kung tama ba na i-rush mo ang pag-file ng complaint na binoto ng tao, ilan lang ito sila na official na pwede mong i-impeach. Binoto ng tao, no? 32,208,417. Tapos i-file mo at the last minute talaga, last 30 seconds, literally last 30 seconds na hindi man lang na-discuss ito, na hindi man lang pinag-isipan ng ibang mga kongresista na karamihan sa kanila. So the people really have the requisite legal personality to put this into question because their vote is at stake. Taxpayers' money is at stake kasi the Congress now will be spending millions again just to conduct this trial. So yung mga taxpayers katulad ko, may right kami na i-question ito na bago mag-trial, dapat desisyonan muna ito ng Supreme Court under the expounded concept of certiorari whether or not there has been grave abuse of discretion amounting to lack or excess of jurisdiction on the part of the House of Representatives when they, in a blitzkrieg fashion, filed this complaint before the Senate without complying with the verification requirement and due process clause of the 1987 Constitution.